Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live and Rich Picks Daily. Hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're having a great morning. We've got a new pick for you today that we want to talk about and we're going to cover, and we're going to break down some of the key information about that pick. First and foremost, I want to let everyone know that Rich TV Live also has another club, a trading club and a trading channel called richpicksdaily.com. You're welcome to go there and be a part of it. Love to have you guys be a part of our trading club. We're looking for members from all over the world to join us, to help us find more undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed early stage companies first. And the more eyes we have on the prize, the more success we will have as a community. And already we are having a lot of success. And as we grow and evolve, we will only get better. Right off the bat, Rich Picks Daily is an online community designed for traders to exchange smart, straightforward, and profitable investment ideas. Join us today at richpicksdaily.com. As you see the website right in front of you, subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn useful stock trading secrets and discover the next 10 bagger. I believe we have found more 10 baggers than anyone else on the planet. I believe we will continue to find more 10 baggers before anyone else on the planet, because we don't chase green. We do the research, we do the due diligence, and we find rockets before they explode. I take a lot of pride in that. And that's kind of what we do. So today's pick is a mining play, Blackrock Gold and Silver. Very interesting company. I'm going to actually just sign up for their alerts right now. Let's do that. Sign up now. Boom. Done. Done. So let's just take a look at Blackrock Gold Corp. So it says right here, a silver squeeze is coming, and here are the charts to watch. As a silver squeeze becomes more likely, Blackrock Silver, BRC in Canada, BKRRF in America, AHZO in Frankfurt, Germany, has the holdings and leadership and the funding to experience explosive growth. So we're going to go through this article. And before I do that, I just want to show you guys the pick. So here's Blackrock Silver. You can see they were at 10 cents. That was an amazing entry point. And guys, always remember, with Rich TV Live, don't panic. We're all about buying low, selling high. No need to panic here. There's absolutely no need to panic here. So when we're identifying companies, you want to be selective, right? You don't want to just go and buy everything we talk about immediately. What you want to do is you want to put it on your watch list, put it on your radar, and watch it. Watch the pick, watch the tendencies, watch the patterns, understand if it's going up, if it's going down, and why. Learn about the share structure, learn about the management, learn about the news, get to know these stocks. I talk about this all the time. Date your stocks. Date your stocks. Hey, Carol, how you doing, brother? Good morning, Chad. How you doing, brother? Steven, good morning. How you doing, Steven? Good to have you guys here. Love to know what you guys think about Blackrock Gold. So Blackrock Gold and Silver. So it was at 10 cents. It went to $1.61 when gold was on fire, and gold has lost steam. And you can see it's gone all the way back down. Been as low as 64 cents, currently at 71. So we could see it go a little bit lower, but I also think the upside is tremendous. I mean, if we were to get in at 71 cents and it runs back to $1.61, you're making over 100% returns. So this is a company I think everyone needs to be watching right now. So it's BRC in Canada, and in America, BKRRF, and in Frankfurt, Germany, let's see right here. It says here in Frankfurt, Germany, AHZO. This is their website, blackrocksilver.com. BKRRF. Let's try to pull that up. BKRRF. Here it is. I'm going to add it to our watch list, and the chart looks identical. So you can see it was at 7 cents. Great entry point. Went as high as $1.22. That was a crazy run and consolidated, right? So you could see the lowest has been is around 47. That would be a great entry point. But imagine getting in at 50 cents and this goes back to $1.22, you're going to make, well over 100% on your money. I mean, these are the types of plays that we love at Rich TV Live. We love to get in, wait, allow the company to evolve and grow and have big news and catalysts. And then when they explode, we unload. That's the Rich system. We've had a lot of success doing it. We've got members from all over the world doing it. The key is to invest in the best. If we find early stage companies before they explode, that's how we win big. So in order to do that, we got to do the research. We got to do the due diligence. We got to read the news. We got to know everything about these companies. That gives us the best chance to succeed, in my opinion. Let's just quickly look at TSXV money and see if there's any news this morning for Blackrock's BRC. Blackrock Silver Corp. I'm a big fan of silver, and I'm a big fan of gold. I'm a big fan of Bitcoin. I'm a big fan of diversification. I'm a big fan of new hot sectors. But I also like, tried and true sectors and security for our money. Silver and gold, I mean, they're not going anywhere, right? So you need to understand that. So right off the bat, 122 million shares issued outstanding. So not under 100 million like we like it, a little bit over, but 122 million for a gold and a silver company isn't bad. These are very conservative companies, usually very tightly held and very responsible with their shares. So I wouldn't be too concerned about that. But the market cap of only 87 million seems like a baby market cap, less than 100 million. Seems like this could grow. And, if this was to grow to say at least 250 million market cap, you would have around 200% upside from these levels, which as an investor is exactly what we're looking for, right? We're looking for companies before they explode. So this is the news just recently here that came out on March 29th, earlier this week. BlackRock reports drill results from its Silver Cloud project in northern Nevada. BlackRock Silver Corp announces gold and silver drill intercepts from the 2020 winter drill program on its 100% controlled Silver Cloud project located along the northern Nevada Rift in north central Nevada. I'm not going to go through all the news. You guys are welcome to do that, but this could be a huge catalyst for the company. Everybody is looking for a catalyst. Andrew Pollard, president and CEO, commented, the purpose of this program was to test primarily new prospective areas throughout this expansive target-rich property, with the aim to provide us with the crucial data to refine a focused campaign on prioritized areas. The bulk of this drill program was designed to target the newly delineated northeast veins, area of the property that sits directly adjacent to Hecla's Hollister vein system, where 8 veins have been mapped outcropped at surface atop a large geophysical and geochem anomaly. So I'm not going to go through all of it, but feel free to read it and go through the news. And I mean, this is a stock that has gone up. It's consolidating back down. So as an investor, we love to get these when they're low, and we love to sell when they're high. Let's just read this. Awakening the Queen of the Silver Camps. BlackRock's flagship Tonopah West project consolidates the western half of the famed Tonopah Silver District within the Walker Lane Trend of Nevada. Known as the Queen of the Silver Camps, Tonopah Silver District produced over 174 million ounces of silver, 1.8 million ounces of gold from approximately 7.5 million tons of high-grade silver gold, making it one of the most significant silver gold districts in North America. With 30,000 meters of exploration drilling completed in 2020 and 40,000 meter core drilling program underway, BlackRock aims to deliver a maiden resource estimate by the end of 2021 as the first group to target the historic workings on the property since production shut down nearly 100 years ago. Mahesh, how you doing? Good morning. You know what? I'm going to make you a moderator here. Thank you for being a part of the club. B. Pekin says, what about Halo earnings today? Hey, it's a good question. We'll definitely take a look. Hey, Greg, hope you're doing well. You know what, Greg? You've been a very valuable member. I'm going to make you a moderator too. Thank you, Greg, for being here and supporting the club and supporting the group. And if you guys would like to join the club, you guys can do that at richpigsdaily.com. This is the Blackrock presentation on their website. You can download the corporate presentation. Let's see what they got to say. So this is the corporate presentation. The market will be opening up in about 7 minutes. So let's just look at some of the key points. Interesting here, they do say that the symbol in Frankfurt, Germany is AHZ. But yet when I'm looking here, and it does say AHZ here as well. But then when I go to their website, I see AHZO. So I'm not sure which one it is, but I see AHZ everywhere. And then I see AHZO. So just be aware of that. Okay, guys? Does anyone know when vegan earnings are coming out? It should be soon. Hey, thank you, Greg. I appreciate you, brother. Glad to see that you're doing well and good to see you here. So this is the stock info. You can see the market cap, 91 million market cap, 122 million shares out, 165 million fully diluted. You can see 38% of the shares are owned by the retail investors, 43% by institutions, 9% by management, and 10% by friends and family. They did a bought deal in February, $10 million bought deal. And like most companies recently that raised money in February, they've seen a pullback in the stock. You can see the leadership. These are the leaders of the company. And more of the leadership within the company. So feel free to read about some of their qualifications. Rob Parsons says, morning, Rich. NIA following your picks now. Ritual Foods one to watch. I think everybody follows their picks. We get into picks early. So I'm not surprised that everybody follows our picks because we've made it our modus operandi to bring you winners first. So if we're bringing all the winners first, you have to assume that everybody's following our picks because we bring them first and then everybody jumps on them. So I'm not surprised. And I think that you're going to see that as a theme, that more and more people will continue to talk about our picks. We identify them first, we position ourselves first, and then everybody else jumps on the bandwagon, and then we're in for the win. Plant-based sector getting killed. Yeah, I think a lot of sectors, especially in small caps, have been getting pullbacks. And I think that's pretty standard. That's what happens when stocks go up. They got to go up, and then they got to go down so they can go up again. So that's why at our trading club at richpicksdaily.com, we teach you how to buy low. When stocks go up, sell. And then when they go back down, buy again. And when they go up, sell. And when they go down, buy again. And when they go up, sell. I mean, this is our strategy. It works. And the members that do this have enormous success. And congratulations to members all over the world. We are winning and we will continue to win. So Nevada was the #1 ranked mining jurisdiction on the planet in 2020, according to the Fraser Institute. Nevada is known as the Silver State due to the world-famous silver discoveries of the Comstock Lode and Tonopah Silver District made in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. You can see these properties, Tonopah West in Nevada and the Silver Cloud. Tonopah West is 100% controlled district landing package, western extension of the famed Tonopah Silver District, with control over more than half of what is the second largest silver district behind only the Comstock Lode in Nevada. 50-year high-grade production profile that averaged 2,125 grams a ton silver. Very first drill hole encountered 965 grams a ton silver equivalent, 5.3 grams a ton AU and 435 grams a ton AG. So they're finding gold and silver on this property. I mean, this is fantastic. 2020 drilling, 40 significant intercepts ranging from 1.0 meters to 29 meters in thickness, 200 grams a ton AG Esquire, and up to, which is silver, and AU is gold. and 4,643 grams a ton AG silver, 26 grams a ton gold, and 2,029 grams a ton silver. Wow. 40,000 meters, 2021 exploration core drill program underway using 4 drills. So the drill program is clearly underway right now. That's typically a huge catalyst for mining companies. Mining stocks are just struggling right now. So this is, in my opinion, potentially a great buying opportunity. Now, remember, good morning, Robert. How you doing, brother? Remember, Rich TV Live and Rich Picks Daily, we love to identify picks before they explode. Right now, gold and silver is not hot. So that's the best time to buy. We don't want to buy it when everything is hot and at the top. That's when we're selling. So right now, if gold and silver has lost its luster, if it's lost its steam, this is the time to buy. Now, remember, we are not licensed. So always do your due diligence, always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. Look at the silver cloud, 100% controlled, large land package consisting of 572 mining claims covering 45 square kilometers, 12,000 acres, 3,500 meters, 14 RC drill program completed, essays pending, spin out completed. So lots of good stuff coming and happening right now for this company. And like I said, just because the stocks are down doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with the company. If anything, this is the time that you want to buy. You want to buy when stocks are down. You don't want to buy when stocks are up. You want to buy when they're down. And when they're up, you want to be selling. So there's a number of factors working in silver's favor, in addition to the physical silver shortage that Deanne mentioned. Other factors include, so they are talking about a silver shortage happening, and that's why they believe the price of silver will go up. So these are some of the reasons. Climate change, silver is used extensively in solar panels and electric vehicle cars, very bullish for silver. Post-health crisis recovery, decreasing value of the US dollar, US fiscal policies and possible inflation, and more. So many reasons why investors are looking into silver right now. Many experts now believe we are on the verge of a 5th commodity super cycle. And when I speak to silver and gold miners, they believe that this is just the beginning of a silver and gold and a copper and other precious metals super cycle. Okay. There have been 4 super cycles during the last 100 years, with the most recent ending in 2008 after 12 years of gains. So imagine we get into a super cycle and the market goes up for 12 years. Sounds like Bitcoin. If another super cycle does start up, the price of silver could rally and really take off. All of this is why Dion told Kitco News silver could trade to 40 to 50 and potentially 60 this year. Wow, that would be nice. Wouldn't that be nice? Greg Love says, I got vegan at 50 and then it dropped to 30. Well, I think that 30 is a much better price than 50. You can always buy some more. I know you did that with FRA and it worked out well, right? You just had to be patient. I think vegan is very early stage. I think that they're going to do very well. And all plant-based foods have come down, which in my opinion is creating a buying opportunity. We like to buy low and sell high. So if you like a company and you really liked it when it was at 50 and now it's at 30, in my opinion, that's a buying opportunity. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes, and for information purposes. We are not licensed. Do your due diligence, do your research before you invest. Anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live, always invest in the best. The best is blessed, and you deserve the best. If you're going to invest in something, why not own the best, right? That's my opinion. Invest in the best is blessed, and you will always come out on top. Greg Love says, Rich has great picks. I've made nice profit on NEXE and TAT. Hey, NEXE and TAT were both brand new IPOs that we brought first. Both have been really big winners. Greg, take a look at Ritual Superfoods. That's one of the best IPOs we just launched 3 weeks ago, RSF, and they're up 150% since the IPO that we launched first on March 8th. They are now up 150% in literally 3 weeks. Congratulations to all members. So what is the best way to play the silver market? It is investing in physical silver, or many experts now say the biggest gains can be seen in the junior miners like Blackrock Silver, symbol BRC in Canada, BKRRF in America, AHZ in Frankfurt, Germany. And it comes to mining stocks and mining jurisdictions. Nevada is where Blackrock Silver is located, and we love Nevada for silver. I mean, we love Nevada for everything. Nevada is also great for cannabis. So Nevada is a great place for business, right? And it's just a great place to visit. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas. And TAT is also in Las Vegas. So, I mean, there's a lot of cool things happening in Nevada and Las Vegas. That's where Joe Deegan resides. So when it comes to mining jurisdictions, Nevada is where Blackrock Silver is located, the most attractive jurisdiction in the world for mining investment, according to the Fraser Institute, an independent, non-partisan Canadian policy think tank. Though most think of gold when they think of Nevada, Blackrock Silver's land holding within the Queen of the Silver Camps is a major reason why it is still known as the Silver State to this day. Let's take a closer look at this junior miner that caught the eye of billionaire fund manager Eric Sprott in 2020, who snapped up a whopping 67% of one of the company's past capital raises. Wow. And Eric Sprott is one of the most well-known silver investors ever. Here's why billionaire investor Eric Sprott is betting on Blackrock Silver. You guys can actually see some of the latest information on that in previous articles. This little known company that passed Sprott's rigorous investment criteria. So Eric Sprott doesn't just invest in everything. He invests in companies that have huge potential silver mines. And he believes in this pick. And if he believes in this pick and he's done the due diligence, then on these dips, we need to think about what we can do. And remember, Rich TV Live here. I don't tell you guys what to do. If you guys like these videos, please smash the like button, comment on the video, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. Blackrock Silver made big waves within the silver world last year following multiple high-grade discoveries, and they're just getting started, folks. And they brought exploration back to one of the largest known silver districts in North America for the first time in nearly 100 years. With the world watching, they reminded everyone why Nevada has always been known as the silver state. Their current CEO, Andrew Pollard, who I've actually had on the show, has turned the ship around since joining Blackrock Silver when it was at 10 cents, and he took it to $1.60, and now it's back down to 70. You know, all the cannabis have come back down. Silver and gold has come back down. So is this the time now to start positioning ourselves in BRC? As you can see, currently at 71 cents, still hasn't really moved today. But you can see that there is a lot of stocks that are having good days today. Cannabis stocks having a good day today. I was talking about Tilray in our trading club yesterday, in advance of the fact that it looks as though legalization is happening in New York State of recreational cannabis, which is a huge, 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 huge catalyst. And Tilray is responding in kind, not surprisingly. And here's Blackrock Gold and Silver, currently just sitting at 71 cents. Hopefully they have a big day today, and we'll be watching very, very closely and very, very carefully. And let's just see if they have any more news. They have any new news this morning? Okay, I don't see any news. So still the drill results from its Silver Cloud project in northern Nevada. Obviously, that is a big catalyst. And right now they're just sitting at 70 cents. So like I said, the CEO took over at 10 cents, took them up to $1.60. Huge success story, obviously. And now it's drifted all the way back down. Seems to be creating a floor. For this to move back to that 160 range, it's well over 100% returns. And we love finding those types of picks, don't we? Don't we love finding picks that have those types of returns? So this is the Tonopah Silver District, the queen of the silver camps. So lots of potential in these properties. Tonopah is one of the largest silver districts in North America and second largest in Nevada. It's said the Comstock put Nevada on the map, and Tonopah kept it there. So if Eric Sprott likes this property and he's invested large, you have to assume there's something big is coming. And for investors, we need to learn to read between the lines, and we got to hunt these stocks. And when they're down, that's when we're buying. And when they're up, that's when we're selling. So you can see this project's been around for a very long time, and they are now drilling, and Eric Sprott is heavily invested. So you can see over 100 years of history. Unbelievable. Dating all the way back to 1900. Totally unbelievable. And the best part is, even though this was discovered in 1900, we have the opportunity to invest in 2021. How exciting is that, guys? Pretty exciting, right? So you can see the map, the geology map of the districts and the zones that they are drilling. You can see the infrastructure. You can see the 2021 drilling underway. You can see all the targets and the areas. 30,000 meters of RC and core drilling completed in 2020. 2021 program underway with 4 drills at site, consisting of at least 40,000 meters of core and RC drilling, with an aim to deliver maiden resource estimate by Q4 on DPM target. Infill and expansion and exploration drilling, the focus of 2021, with multiple targets being drill tested at any one time. And you can see here, they are hitting at a high rate, which is, I mean, when you're drilling and you're hitting, I mean, that's just like finding money. If you're drilling and every time you hit, that's like finding bags of money. So like I said, Eric Sprott is a billionaire silver investor, and he's invested heavily in this company. If Eric Sprott, who's one of the most well-renowned silver investors ever, and probably the number one well-known silver investor today in 2021, believes in this project, there's got to be something special here. So, like I said, at 10 cents, it was great. At $1.61, that was the top. Right now, around 70 cents. Seems like an interesting opportunity. Obviously, could go lower, but I also think that the upside is tremendous. Love to know what you guys think. The reason that we do these videos, guys, here at Rich TV Live is we want to create a conversation with the community. We want the community to look at the picks and create intelligent conversations. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think it goes lower? Do you think it goes higher? Is this the time to get in for the win? These are the types of conversations we create at Rich Picks Daily. And I believe it allows our investors to make smart decisions and hopefully create better results. Because it's one thing as an investor to invest by yourself, but when you invest with a community and you have other people you could bounce your trade ideas off of, I think it helps you make better decisions and hopefully helps you make more money. And as investors, that's all we can hope for, right? All we can hope for is that when we invest, our investments yield returns. And I believe we've done a good job of that, and we will continue to, because we spent a lot of time doing the due diligence and doing the research, trying to identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities before they explode. And if they pull back, like we've seen the entire small cap space do, that's a buying opportunity. It's as simple as that. So this is the drill program that's underway. 4 distinct target areas, newly delineated and yet untested northeast veins target directly adjacent to Hecla's Hollister mine to receive the bulk of drilling. So you can see all the drill zones and drill areas, all the targets. So this is very well done, very well organized, so investors can understand exactly where their money is going and what the potential is for this company, which I believe is tremendous. Drilling is always a huge catalyst for mining projects. And this is a project that right now is drilling. So it's not like they're thinking about drilling. It's not like they're identifying zones to drill. They are actually actively drilling right now. And you can see all of it is documented, organized, categorized. So this is not like a company you're going to have to wait for to drill. They're literally drilling right now, and that can yield incredible results depending on what they find. So some incredible properties. You can go through some of these projects. So when their CEO took over, right here, Andrew Pollard, who I've had on the show, stock was at 3 cents. Obviously, it went to $1.60. So he's taken this company from 3 cents to $1.60, now back to, let's say, 70 cents. So it's still up over 20 times since the CEO took over. So obviously, he's done a really good job. But that's only possible because 2 of their projects represent targets with high grades and a multi-million ounce potential. That's right, multi-million ounce potential. The company's flagship Tonopah West project lies in the western extension of the famed Tonopah Silver District and covers more than half of what is the second largest district in the silver state of Nevada, given the fact that the area has a 50-year high-grade production profile that averaged 2,125 grams a ton AG silver. It's certainly going to be interesting to see just how much the historic miners left behind as the company continues on a 40,000 meter drill program aimed at delivering a maiden resource estimate by year's end. Blackrock's other major asset is its 100% controlled Silver Cloud property, which is a massive land package consisting of 572 mining claims covering 45,000 square kilometers, 12,000 acres, a 3,500 meter 14 RC drill program has been completed, and the company is waiting on assay results. Not only that, the company is contemplating spinning out this project, creating a new gold-focused company that investors in Blackrock will have a proportional interest in. So if you own shares in Blackrock, the company's spinning out a new company, which you will get shares in, which is another reason why you should consider positioning yourself in Blackrock. You're going to get free shares to own shares in Blackrock. I like that right there. That's always something that I like. Blackrock Silver is well funded for their aggressive drilling campaign in 2021, thanks to having just closed an upsized $10.35 million bought deal financing on February 19, 2021. So we can expect to hear lots of good news as they work towards delivering maiden resource estimate by Q4, which could offer significant re-rate potential. So if this is going to happen in Q4 and we're about to start Q2, this is our opportunity, folks. This is our opportunity as investors to get in for the win. This is Nevada's proven and prolific Tonopah Silver District. Blackrock's Tonopah West project is a newly consolidated land package consisting of 97 patented and 17 unpatented mining claims covering 4.5 square kilometers, 1,100 acres within the famed Tonopah Silver District. The project is located in Nevada, which is America's second largest producer of silver after Alaska. The state currently ranks as the #1 mining district and jurisdiction in the world for investment. Mexico and Peru, the 2 largest producers of silver globally, rank number 42 and 43 on the same index, highlighting the premium Blackrock Silver could command as they prove up their discoveries. So much potential here. Lots of potential. There's a bonus, which is mine dump tailings. So lots of exciting things about these properties. And mineral discoveries mean big jumps for mining juniors. So when you're a junior miner, if you're able to discover gold or silver, in large amounts, you can see your stock explode. We can see Great Bear Resources, their share price was at 51 cents and they made a big discovery, and the stock today is at $14, a 2,600% increase. Core Mining was at 26 cents, made a discovery, stock went to $1, 285% increase. K92 Mining went from $160 to $6, a 275% increase. Fosterville South Exploration went from $1.20 to $1.50, a 25% increase. So typically when these companies, these junior miners, do make a big discovery, the stocks have the potential to explode. So as an investor, you got to try to think into the future and ask yourself, if you get in now and they make a huge discovery, what is the upside and what is the potential return for you, the investor? I think it could be in around 100%. I mean, that's just me, but I think that the upside could be at least about 100%. I'm not saying it's going to stay at those levels, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it run up. And when it does, in my opinion, that's when you should be locking in profits. You know, whenever you have a chance to make 100% on your money, you should always be thinking about locking in profits. So they've got a strong management team. We looked into that earlier. And let's talk about 10 reasons why Blackrock Silver, BRC in Canada on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange, BKRRF on the OTC, and AHZO on the Frankfurt Exchange could prove to be the precious metals play of 2021. First and foremost, silver prices posted record gains last year, and with no signs of this momentum slowing down, silver mining juniors could be better positioned to benefit from this trend. According to the Fraser Institute in 2020, Nevada ranked as the top mining jurisdiction in the world based on investment attractiveness. Mexico and Peru, which are the two largest silver producing regions in the world, ranked 42 and 34, respectively, making Nevada the #1 silver jurisdiction in the planet. Number 3, fully funded with billionaire fund manager Eric Sprott, having snapped up 67% of one of Blackrock Silver's past capital raises, in addition to the company recently closing an upsized bought deal financing of $10.35 million. Tonopah West project consolidates half of one of the largest silver districts in North America that had past production of 1.86 million ounces of gold, 174 million ounces of silver. Major catalyst planned for this year as the company intends to deliver a maiden resource estimate on the project following over 40,000 meters of drilling in 2021. Multiple historic mines on their property means big potential as they continue to test new targets. According to the Silver Institute, only 29% of all silver produced comes from primary silver mines. Tonopah Silver District historically produced at a 100-to-1 silver to gold ratio, making Tonopah a silver primary precious metals district where investors can get exposure to both silver and gold. Historic production in the Tonopah Silver District averaged at 1,384 grams a ton silver, 16 grams a ton gold, establishing it as one of the highest grade silver districts in the world. A spinout of their grassroots gold project in Northern Nevada could give investors a shareholding in 2 different companies. So if you own shares in Blackrock Silver, you're going to get shares in a spinout very soon. And outstanding management team with a proven track record. So a lot of different reasons why you should be putting this stock on your watch list, put it on your radar. So many great reasons. Their website, blackrocksilver.com. And let's just take a look at the stock. Oh, it's up slightly. Now it's 72 cents, up 1%. So it's nice to see that they're up and responding to us talking about them. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you like this news. What do you guys think? This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. What do you think of this news? Love to know what you guys think. Love to hear your opinion. Love to hear your feedback. Looks like we are seeing a lot of green today in the markets. Here is the American symbol for Blackrock Silver. And you can see very few people know about this in America right now. Very little volume. BKRRF in America. And it's down a little bit. So might be a time to start positioning yourself. Here's another one of the picks that we brought you guys, Grey Cliff Exploration. And they seem to be doing well. Here's another one of the picks that I own and I've been talking about, generating revenue, having a decent day this morning as well. Here's Tilray, seems to be doing well today, now up 7%. So we bring you winners and we bring them to you first. Here's a new IPO that seems to be doing well today. AHZO Inc. up 8% and having a nice day. So if you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, bringing you the winners, bringing them to you first. What do you think of this news on BRC? And do you think Blackrock Silver, that this is the time now to position yourself in this company? Love to know what you guys think. Do you think this is a winner? Are you buying the dip? Are you already a shareholder? Did you buy and hold? Are you buying and holding? Are you buying and selling? Do you plan to flip? If you plan to flip, at what price? Let me know. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live and richpicksdaily.com. You too can join the club. And, we love, investing is very interesting. For me, investing is kind of like we buy low and sometimes we have to deal with short-term pain so that we can have long-term gain. Short-term pain for long-term gain. That's what investing is all about. We also brought you guys Ritual Foods first before anyone else on the planet at 36 cents pre-IPO. Today, they're trading at 90 cents or higher. Congratulations to members. Another IPO that we brought you first on March 8th that is up over 150% for shareholders and investors of our community and our club in only 3 weeks. And the best part about that is we got more coming. Stay tuned. More picks are coming. Let me know what you guys think about this. Oh, wow. Look at this. Ritual Foods now at 95 cents. Congratulations for shareholders all over the world. And BRC right now around 72. So let's see how they do today. Hopefully they have a good day. If not, and they go down, that's even more interesting because it just means it's even a better buying opportunity. When stocks go down and investors are panicking, that's when we like to buy. And when stocks go up and investors are celebrating, that's when we like to sell. That's the Rich system. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. We've been doing it for 4 years and we're going to continue doing it better than anyone else on the planet. You can book it. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live and I'm out. Peace.